Hi everyone, my name is Lauren. I currently work in a Baylor position with home hospice, which is my true love. I also work in a cardiac ICU per diem, generally about like once a week, which will probably change now that clinicals are starting. My work experience up until this point has been primarily in critical care. I worked in a general ICU for about 6 years, and then I've worked in a cardiac ICU for the last 2.5 years, and recently started working in hospice for a little bit over a year now, which has become my true love, my true passion, and that's where I would like to practice as an NP. I am from Peabody, Massachusetts, which is about 20 minutes north of Boston or 40 minutes away from the Regis campus. My hobbies, I like to work out. I love to lift weights, do spin classes, yoga. I like to spend time with my family and friends, especially my niece and nephew. I like to read, and yeah. Something that's unique about me, I would say, is that I ran the Boston Marathon. I don't know how I did that. I could probably barely run a mile straight right now, despite working out a lot. I chose adult gerontology concentration because I have no desire to do pediatric hospice, and I'd like to stay in hospice. I actually initially started out in family medicine, and then I switched to adult gerontology once I started working in hospice and realized that I wanted to stay in hospice. My career goals, I hope to work as a hospice NP, possibly on the palliative side too, I'm not sure. For probably 5 years, work towards my DNP, and then eventually the pipe dream is to open up my own hospice house one day, so I'll probably work towards my MBA as well someday. That's it. Thanks for watching.